Good morning students. Today we are learn first topic secretary. Today we are learn features of secretary. Features of secretary as the first features we are learn today here individual. Only an individual alone can be appointed as a secretary. A secretary is always an individual. A corporate body or any other institutions or a partnership firm cannot work as a secretary. Only individual can be appointed as a secretary of firms, partnership firms and institutions. Any institutions or corporate body cannot be appointed as a secretary. A secretary has to be in an individual as per the provision of the company law. Is the provisions, rules of the company law, and also due to the skills required to fulfill the duties and responsibilities toward the employees. This is the first features of secretary. Second, duty. Another features of secretary duties. A secretary has to perform routine and administrative duties such as correspondence, written communication, conducting meeting. Different meetings are conducting annual general extraordinary meetings, statutory meetings, they are conducting meetings, maintaining record, bookkeeping, balance sheet, profit and loss, they are maintenance and providing information. Secretary also has to fulfill the day-to-day routine duties such as clerical work, recording, fixing appointment, given reminders, replying to other employees' queries, etc. These are the duties of secretaries. Another ones are qualification. A person who is appointed as a company secretary in a public or private limited company need to have certain prescribed qualification according to the Company Act 2013. Similarly, a secretary of a government department need to have the qualification as per the government rules and regulations. Every secretary needs sound educational qualification so as to perform his duties effectively. However, institutional secretaries need to possess some prescribed qualification according to the actors appointed. Company secretary, joint stock company secretary qualifications. He must be an associated member of the ICSI, Institution of Company Secretary of India. Secretary of Government Department, he must pass in Indian Administrative Service IAS examinations. Secretary of Non-Profit Associations, he is not required the specific qualification. Secretary of Cooperative Society, he possesses a diploma degree like the DGC, etc. His qualifications are required to the company and others administrative secretaries. Another ones are of appointment. A secretary can be appointed by individually, professionals, society corporation, government, public organization, joint stock companies, etc. A secretary can be personal or institutional secretary. A company secretary is appointed by the board of directors of the company. The secretary of the government is appointed by the state or the central government. And the secretary of the cooperative society is appointed by managing committee of a cooperative society. Secretary of a non-profit association is appointed by managing committee of association. Is the appointment of secretary. Another ones are paid duties. A secretary is a paid employee. It is a paid employee of the organization. He is either given a salary or paid an annuity of fees. A secretary holder, yet the secretaries hold an important position in the organizations. In the organization is a paid up employee. Another ones are confidential officer. A secretary is a custodian of the secrets and confidential information of the organization. Secretary is a closely connected to the top management and can be involved in policy decisions. Means a secretary is a custodian of secret persons and confidential information of the organizational secretary is closely connected to the top management. That the management part are three part: top levels, middle levels and lower level. That the secretary is connected to top level of management and can be involved in policy decision. They are involved in policy decisions. Another ones are here representative. A secretary acts as a representative of the organization. Generally, secretary are of the two types: personal and institutional. Secretary appointed by individual is known as a personal secretary. This secretary represent their employees. Institutional secretary are appointed by societies, companies, government departments and represent their organizations. Another one's the qualities. A secretary should possess a certain qualities so as to conduct secretary duties smoothly. The quality like concentrations, intelligence, track, loyalty, cooperative, courtesy, leadership, orderliness and knowledgeable seekers. These qualities are required to the secretary. Secretary's qualities. Now, today we are learn here features of secretary. Now, assignment questions. Write down the features of secretary. Thank you, students.